Hello everyone, welcome to day 99 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to crochet the star stitch. To crochet the star stitch, you have to start off by making a foundation row, which is an even number. We are going to start off with 10 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now you're going to add 3 chains to the hook, and you're going to go into the second stitch right here and pull out a loop. Go into the third stitch, pull out a loop. Go into the fourth stitch, pull out a loop. Go into the fifth stitch, pull out a loop. And one more time. Okay, so you have 6 loops on your hook. So once you got all the 6 loops, you have to yarn over and pull out of all 6 and chain 1. So this forms the first half of the star stitch. So now for the second star stitch, you are going to understand certain terms. This part right here is called the eye, and this part or each loop that you pulled out are called the posts. So you're going to insert into the eye, pull out a loop, go in between the last 2 poles, which is right here, and pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Go into the foot of the last pole, that is the last stitch that you just worked into, and pull out a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Into the eye, in between the post, into the foot of the post, and 2 more loops from the next 2 chains. Yarn over and pull out of all the loops and chain 1. Make sure to tighten the chain, otherwise you'll have holes like this. Can you see the hole right here? That's because you wouldn't have tightened the stitch like this. Now again, go into the eye, pull out a loop, go in between the post, pull out a loop, go into the foot of the post, pull out a loop, again go into the next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull out of all these loops. Again make 1 chain. Now one more time, eye, between the post, into the foot, into the next 2 loops. If you got this right, you will have 1 stitch which is left right here. Into that you'll be making a half double crochet. Okay, so now again chain 2 and turn your work. This chain 2 counts as 1 half double crochet. Now into each of the eye, that is, this is 1 eye right here, you're going to make 2 half double crochets. Move on to the next eye. Will not be crocheting into the chain or anything, you'll be crocheting into the eye which is right here. Make 2 half double crochet. Into each of the eye we'll be making 2 half double crochets. It's a very pretty stitch, actually my favorite stitch, and it's quite easy to make as well once you understand the pattern. Okay, so here we have 2 stitches into each of the eye of the stars from the previous row, and we have the first 3 chains that we did, into which you'll be making 1 half double crochet. So starting and ending you'll be having 1 half double crochet, and throughout 2 half double crochets into the eye. Now again chain 3, turn your work, and you're going to repeat row 1. This is a 2 row repeat. You're just going to repeat row 1 and 2 till you reach the length that you want. So row 1 will be, you're just going to insert into each of the first 6 chains, and you're going to get 1 loop till you have 6 loops on your hook. Pull out of the 6 loops and chain 1. You can just continue this till the length that you want.